everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun unboxing. I'm going to quickly show you one of the 7 brand new Disney Funko Games that I have received from Funko Games. So thank you so much to Funko for sending us this collection of amazing games. Check out all the games that they sent. Like, for real. We have the Disney Med Tea Party featuring the Mad Hatter, Alice. We have the March Hare. Plus there's Disney Princess See the Story game, Disney Hidden Mickey's game, which is so much fun. It's totally immersive, really gets the kids up and going. A lot of fun with that one, so you're gonna stay tuned for that video. Plus we have Disney Mickey and the Beanstalk. Have you ever watched the movie Fun and Fancy Free? It's one of my favorites. Love Mickey and the Beanstalk. I love the songs in that one, it's the best. Plus there's Disney Pixar You Can Fly, so it features all of the flying characters from Disney and Pixar fame, plus the iconic ride from Disneyland, It's a Small World, that also is at Disney World in Florida. And It's a Small World, that ride actually debuted in Flushing Meadow Park, and I'm a New Yorker, so it's really, really close to my heart. Love It's a Small World. It's one of the greatest rides to cool off and fall asleep on. Now, I have to thank Funko Games for sending this amazing collection. This is the Disney Pixar Toy Story Talent Show. Now, this is not your normal game. This is like a game that's totally immersive. It includes all of these cool things. So you basically have to pick a card. You play off of the challenges on the cards. The challenges can include balancing, tossing, roping, even rolling your way to winning the most prize tickets. You can also check out gameplay on my social media along with my children. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this, and I am actually gonna do lives with other creators, so you could take a look at that as well. I had to kick off these amazing Funko Games unboxing with Toy Story. A lot of my subs are Toy Story fans, just like I am. So I had to show this to you guys first. This packaging is amazing. I love the Carnival, like diamond board feel. So cool. Oh my gosh, we even have the sheep. We have Bo Sheep, we have Billy Goat and Gruff, Bullseye, Alien, Woody, Jessie, Buzz Lightyear. Oh my gosh, do kaboom. And here is Bo. Not only is this a great family game, but it's also a great game for collectors. Let's take a look at what's inside. Of course, it's Funko, so you know it's going to be amazing. So let's see. You have your instructions. You can learn how to play on funkogames.com/play Toy Story Talent Show. And it tells you exactly what's in the box. So you get 100 talent cards, 55 prize tickets, 25 single good try tickets, 5 double round over tickets, and 25 triple yeehaws, plus 18 Showtime cards. You get a sand timer. You get an alien blindfold. Oh my gosh. You get 6 Army Men movers that you insert into bases. Plus you get all the props. So this game is for ages 6 and up. It's for 2 to 6 players and 30 minutes of game time. Oh my gosh. Okay, as a collector of toys in general, this is one not to miss, especially if you are a Pixar fan. Let's take a look here. And don't forget, you can also learn how to play the game with the actual instruction booklet. You're not just limited to going online. You can actually check out the instruction booklet as well, and it'll teach you how to play the game. Now, we're not actually going to go through gameplay. I just wanted to unbox it and show you everything inside, so you know that it's worth your while. As a toy collector, you've been following me for a while. You know that I am really, really serious about my toys, and I have to say already out of the gate, come on. We have a Bullseye horseshoe, guys, and it's made of nice, solid foam. So it's totally like kid-proof. Oh my gosh, it even has Bullseye on it. This is amazing. Plus, we have a Woody gold coin. It's a sheriff coin. These mover bases are fantastic. Look at that. It looks like a helmet, an army helmet. A Space Ranger Frisbee. Oh my gosh, it looks like we're at like a carnival. We have like these tickets. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. It's so awesome. And then we have what looks like a rope. Maybe we could lasso something. Oh my gosh, look at this. The presentation already is just amazing too. We have Bo's, her staff, her crook. Here's her crook. That is so cool. Plus we have, whoa, an alien blindfold. I love this. We have our own little foam squishy Pixar ball. This alone is like making it super collectible. Yeehaw, we have our own yellow sand timer. And then we have these amazing movers. This is the Green Army Men movers, and it looks like they're actually, are they in different poses? Let's take a look. This is a nice thick cardstock. Yes, we have different poses to choose from. Oh my gosh, now that would be funny if they had the one with the broken leg from part 1. So awesome. I love it. And these mover bases, let me just show you these. And you could also check me out on social media where I'll be unboxing the rest of them. And you could also follow me on YouTube where I'll be unboxing all of them. We'll do some gameplay too. We'll have some fun. But I just had to open this up really fast and show you guys. I know all of my subs are Pixar fans, especially with Toy Story, and I know a lot of you love The Incredibles just like me. So definitely add this to your collection if you're looking to collect. If you already have Toy Story Funko Pops, how good would that look on your Toy Story shelf? Like, come on. This is so cool. I just love the way these movers are. They're so amazing. Let's take a look at these tickets too. So these tickets are amazing. Oh my gosh. And you don't break these apart because they're not perforated. It looks like you collect as many tickets as you can. So we have some single tickets, double tickets, and triple tickets. And let's take out the challenge cards. Okay, here is our talent show cards. Let's take these out. And then we have the Showtime cards. So let's take a look at the talent show cards. And some of the talent show cards are the giggles. Like a toy in front of humans, try not to laugh. The other players should try to make you laugh, but they can't touch you. Stay cool until the timer runs out. That is super fun for kids. It's kind of like, my son loves to have a staring contest with me all the time. So this is like perfect for him, right up his alley. And this is the one with the purple disc that I didn't know. This is actually Buzz's flying disc. I didn't even notice that his insignia is on there. So place Buzz's flying disc 6 steps away from you. Then go back to your starting position. Use your nose to roll the Pixar ball to the disc around and back to the start. How fun is this? So immersive and so interactive. Really gets kids up. It's not your typical board game where you're sitting around a board game at a table. You're literally getting up and playing with the kids. Super duper fun. Oh my gosh, I love it. Then we have these Showtime cards. Now, there's also different ways to play. Obviously, I'm not going to go through it. I just wanted to unbox it for you guys just so you get a feel for it and get a real look at it. Honestly, I'm only familiar with Funko Games when they come with actual Funko Pops with Funkoverse. So seeing this, a really immersive collection of Disney Funko Games is really cool. A lot of fun. Great for families. Honestly, this is great for kids. Like if we had these during the pandemic, I think we would have had a lot of fun. And the fact that everything stores right back into place, I'm gonna actually put everything back inside the little baggies because I don't want to mess anything up. But honestly, like having everything like this in the box keeps it so nice and so neat. Look how neat this is. Like it's perfect for kids to be able to put their own game away as well. So you don't have any issues there. The kids won't be like, I don't know what to do. They can put everything away on their own and they can save it for next time for future gameplay. Honestly, I'm so impressed already and I didn't even start playing the game. So let me know what you think of the new Toy Story Talent Show in the comments below. Yay or nay on it? I say yay, and I didn't even play it yet. Make sure you follow me on social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a like, thumbs up. Please also don't forget to comment and let me know which game you want to see unboxed next and what you actually want to see me and my family or my family and I play. Thank you so much again to Funko Games for hooking us up with a great collection of Disney Funko Games. We are huge Disney fanatics, big Funko collectors, so it was a great mashup. This is going to be so much fun. So stay tuned for the following videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.